Yo, welcome to another Hyperdrive Live trading session. I am your host, Coach CJ, and I'm excited for you to be here. We'll be live in a few moments trading the NASDAQ futures market using the Hyperdrive system. If this is your first time trading with me, buckle up because we trade a fast-paced but simple, color-coded, and highly efficient system I created to be in and out of the markets in 90 minutes or less. If after watching this session, you want to learn this system, grab my Hyperdrive instruction manual with the link in the description. You'll be added to our private community and receive 30 days of live trading for free on Zoom with zero delay. Before we start, do me a big favor and make sure you like, subscribe, and share this stream with others. I greatly appreciate that gesture of support. All right, the market is about to open soon, so let's get this session started. See you in 3, 2, 1. Enjoy the show. Yo, what's going on, everybody? Good morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Let me know you guys can hear me, see me clearly in the chat. Give me a hey. Hey in the chat if you can hear me, see me clearly. Awesome. What's up, Christine? What's up, Nita? What's up, Jim B? George? Good morning. Good morning on Zoom. Good morning on YouTube. What's up, Jimmy P? We are live. We still got a few minutes before the market opens. For those of you guys, maybe the first time, I am Coach CJ, your trading coach. We trade a system I created called Hyperdrive. Keep it stupid simple. Just align our colors, which we're not in alignment for anything right now. We're red on the top, blue on the bottom. So we call that a stalemate. So we align our colors, which we'll wait for alignment. And then we take entries at our entry points. And we manage every trade the same way for success. Win, lose, or draw. That's our play. Win, lose, or draw. That's our play every day. So welcome. We still have a minute and a half. What's up, Juliet? What's up, Carl? Amy? Bitcoin over 100K? Yes, it is. What's up, Lars? I agree with that, George. Let's get some W's today. Honestly, I really think it's going to be a really simple day. Basically what I said in the chat. We haven't really had a smooth day during our session. Markets moved afterwards or overnight. And as I said before, I say all the time, every session has to get fed. So London's going to get some sometimes. Asia's going to get some. Afternoon, New York. And then us. So I think it's our time. All right, essentially waiting for the bulls to step in here and push us in alignment once the market opens here in 20 seconds. From a news perspective, we had our 8:30 candle. It didn't do too much. I do have it marked up, but we did trade below it, so that aligns towards that theory as well. What's today? Thursday? So we really don't have any other news. 10:30 yellow folder. Here's our high and low of our news candle. Yeah, we're pushing above it right now. Let's see if that continues. And wicked above it, but really traded below it. We spent more time below it than we did above it. And yeah, I'm expecting us to go up here, but we'll wait for alignment and then move forward from there. Market is open right now, if you couldn't tell. 15 seconds left in this opening candle. Doesn't look like we're going to be pushing an alignment right now. Well, maybe. Well, it's kind of jumpy. So, nope, we're going to close still in the stalemate. Bearish engulfing candle. So let's see if that gets violated to the top side.
It's a big candle. So far, we're overtaking that bearish push to the downside, possibly putting us into an alignment right here, possibly closing above 550. Alignment. All right. All right, we're waiting on close above 550 here. We've had a bearish engulfing, no continuation. Then we had a bullish engulfing. Didn't immediately continue, but we'll see. Oh. We did touch this high from yesterday. 550. That's the only target that we have to the top side because we're at all-time highs. I'm loving that our volume is climbing too from previous spots. All right, we got 15 seconds. We're back around that 550 area. See if we can get above it. Still not above it yet. What's up, Ken? Yep, waiting for a close above 550, which is our high from yesterday, and it's right now being used as resistance. So flipping it in and using that support is what we want to see. What's up, GED? Back at that J4. Oops. Somebody was in a waiting room. My bad. My bad, Earl. Hopefully you weren't waiting too long. We're not in a trade yet. Since you're just hopping on, we're waiting here. Looking for a climb above 550. I already know what George is thinking. Time to go work out. We're 10 minutes in. George is ready to throw the towel in. I could believe that, but we know it's coming at some point. Retracement to the downside. Paula says she can't believe that there's still none. But as what Jimmy said the other day in the chat, they're getting ready for those Christmas gifts. So they're pushing this thing up there. As fast as that volume went up there, it is starting to come back down. It could. Yeah, if it flips, it could drop like a rock. I still think we got some more to do before we ready to really flip here. But we're not in no trade, so we're just waiting for it to actually show us. You know, we put in bullish structure on the open. A choppy bullish structure, but we put in bullish structure on the open and halted right here. So in order for us to get in, what do we got to do? We got to put in a higher high. It's a great structural play for us. Yeah. Oh, you mean right here? This has a double top, or you're talking about these two wicks? You're talking about from it being yesterday's high, Steph. Yesterday's high. Yeah, I agree with that. Yeah, and even if you look at that, like it has all of this that it built up, like below these lows, kind of like with this little sweeping motion, and then one stab up here, and then could definitely do something like that. We've seen that happen. So if it does that, guess what? We'll sell. See if we can ride this down there. Where's that first daily low at? Why is it at 305? What's that? Oh yeah, 305. Couple hundred points. At least we'll have something to target. Up here, we don't have anything but, you know, our normal TP progressions. But as of right now, we're doing nothing but waiting. The thing is that you see that double top right there. So do thousands of other traders, right? And they're all probably thinking the same thing. And so the market's like, I know what you guys are thinking. You think because we put that double top in there, we're going to sell. I'm going to get you. And they just do the opposite of a double top. Gotta love this market. We're going to put this little double top in there. We're just going to go right above 550. Just put a nice little pierce. So all of these traders can think that that was a liquidity grab. So that we can turn around and drop. And then they're going to press that sell, sell, sell button. And then we're going to buy, buy, buy. If she is gonna drop, this would be the spot. It's not an imbalance, but or maybe it could be on a 3-minute or something. It's a bearish engulfing candle there. I would say that this is the area that we really need to see it climb back above, which again will lead us right into our entry point. Right here. Oops. Right here. Yep, right there. Let's see where that spot is. Look at that. No coinky dink there. That's the spot it has to get above. It faked like it wanted to here and then slammed down. Yeah, that's what I just showed. That's where I got it from. Right here. This is yesterday. Sorry. This is yesterday around 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Did the same type of play. It bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, bullish engulfing, and then drop. So that's where it is right now. Fighting in that area. All right. I think might be in a stalemate after this candle. If we haven't flipped. Jalen says I'm on the hyperdrive 5-minute model on the J4. What'd you get? Nice. Where'd that go? Like 20 points? 30 points? Got divergence on the 5-minute. Three-minute as well. We're in a stalemate on the one. You did hear the magic words, Jimmy. I think I said liquidity grab or something. So far, I'm not really a fan of the market. Glad that we haven't had to take any trades. So, no harm, no foul. But I'm not liking that we're creating divergence now on the sell side, too. I would want to see that volume getting lower than this point. And it might work itself out, but as of right now, not showing that. We do have the top of the hour coming here in 6 minutes. Yeah, it is staying below the HDL. All right, it's getting there. Volume wise as well. It's trying. All right, volume is there. Six seconds. We are playing around 500 right now. We're above it. And we closed above it. However, we did flip. So, we're officially in alignment for sales. You know why I'm laughing? It's so funny because I was literally just about to say, I don't really think this is gonna get all the way up to 550. So if we don't get 500, y'all want to take the J4? Literally was just thinking that in my head. I just really like where it's sitting right now as well. Like if this doesn't close below and starts to support off of 500, I wouldn't mind. I wouldn't mind taking a shot at the J4. Because if it went all the way up to 550, then I'm just throwing this day away because it just doesn't make sense. I mean, this would be. I mean, I shouldn't say it doesn't make sense, but it just is not showing a smooth operation. It's just manipulation on both sides, which that's very rare, but it can happen. I already know you did, Ken. I know your moves. Okay. Yeah. J4 it is then. If we get that first, I'll take it. Top of the hour is coming up here in 1 minute and 8 seconds. Oh. We're below 500, above it, and above it. All right, we closed above it. I mean, everything looks a lot better than it did 5 minutes ago when I said I wasn't a fan of the volume. I really like it now. I mean, we've put in a lower low. The volume is showing the same. This spot right here just makes so much sense with previous action. So I think we might get what we want here. Good old fashioned J4 entry. Oh, there's even imbalance sitting right there. Come on now. This looks way too good. Put the whole house on it. Just kidding. Don't do that. Don't do it, Jimmy P. I was just kidding. And of course, he goes within 3 points and rejects hard. He didn't do anything. I said this looks so good that we should put the whole house on it. Then I said just kidding, and I wanted to make sure that Jimmy P heard me say I was just kidding. Well, guess what? If we don't get the J4, then obviously we have 500. I think we're going to get the J4, though. I think at minimum this is going to come and tap at just above this. Tap right into this imbalance right here. So we should get the J4. Ooh, don't got my finger on the trigger. I almost missed it. Oh, shoot. All right, I'm in. What's this on the fib? 50%? 618? In between the two. Yep, and we hit the 25. Mm-hmm. We got 10 seconds left or above this clothesline that I'm going to use, 527. And ooh, it's kind of, I don't know what we did there. We closed right on it. See what this next candle does. Bullish engulfing candle right here, so I want to see this getting violated. Come back bearish. So far, so good. Close back below the J4. Violated that bearish engulfing. Let's drop. I think we're going higher. SPX is breaking higher, higher, and higher. I don't look at it like that, but teach their own. Run alignment for sales. We're going to do that. Everything is pointing to that direction on my end. Obviously, we need lower low here. It didn't close below 500 yet, so let's get that close below and keep dropping here. If we really want to do some dropping, 305.50. Well, if you're not in, you can get in right now. We took the J4. Close line is 527. I would have liked to have seen this just go ahead and put that lower low in there, so didn't do that. We're above it, we're below it, and we closed above it. I'm not at 7.5 points. Yeah, I agree with that. And even today, it started moving a little bit better, but same thing. Not getting any movement during our sessions, so. See what happens here. I'm not too far behind you, Juan. Juan says he's done for the day. Not too far behind you. Early gym time. Agreed. See you there. The only chance that this really does have to stay bearish, especially if it breaks this high, is this area right here. Somewhere up in here. If it breaks that area, this thing's going to go up. And it's got a long way to go to really flip this trend. So, this doesn't get, if this comes up here, like if we just drop, I was thinking about replaying the J4, but I'm not. If this just drops off the J4, then I'll probably just call it good there. But if this comes up here and rejects and then comes back down, I might give it another play. But yeah, the safest thing if you're really going to sit here is waiting for it to put in a lower low. And not worry about this or this. Just wait for structure to prove it and then take it. Ain't no telling when that's going to happen though, or if that's going to happen. What I do know is this is another day that is not our ideal market. So even safer than waiting for a lower low is just to say, I'm done for the day. No, I wouldn't go that far. I don't do that. Like, so you guys on Zoom know, Jimmy was saying that JJ had one time said about trading in December. Can't recall exactly what he said, but he just thinks that might be that, right? I don't go that far because I can think back to last December and probably the same thing happened in terms of like you're gonna have, it's just the mood. You're gonna have different moods in the market. There is no saying that it's going to happen in August or it's going to happen in December or this is going to be the moody month. You can't make decisions like that. But week to week, we see the same behaviors. We'll see our consolidated weeks. We'll see the weeks where our session is just, ripping it. Just the mood. Not a big deal. What you have to get good at is just walking away, especially in times like Tuesday, Wednesday. Throw a few points out there and be like, this ain't the market I want. I'm out. I'm down 7 points right now. 8 points. Not a big deal. J4 gave us 19 points. She was like, don't start trying to trade me now. You put me to the side. You don't trade me no more. Yeah, she mad, Juliet. She mad at us. Mad at me. All right. It looks like we're going to consolidate, family. Tomorrow's NFP, so looks like we're holding off for tomorrow. At least again during this session. She can move in the afternoon. She can move overnight. Right now, it's almost 10:30. I don't think we have any news at 10:30. We got natural gas storage, the yellow folder. But last session of the week, and technically last live session until December 16th is tomorrow. So last live session until December 16th is tomorrow. Correct. Yeah, we haven't. All right, so I'm signing off. I'm going to the gym. Me and George, we're going to go work out. I'll see you guys tomorrow for our last session of the week. As I've already mentioned, tomorrow's NFP, 8:30 news, 10 a.m. news, orange folders. So we got firepower tomorrow. Firepower tomorrow. See if during our session we can have a smooth day. All right, down a little 8-point day today. Calling it good. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have an amazing day. If you need anything from me, hit me up on Telegram. Those of you watching on YouTube, thank you. Like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Feel free to find me on Telegram if you have any questions. Have an amazing day, everybody. Peace out for now.